हे केडी।
ठीक कैसे?
मैं ठीक हूँ, तू बता, तू कैसा है?
बस ठीक है। सो आज का प्लान क्या है अपना?
ठीक है, तो मेरे को पता है जैसे अपने केडी को डांसिंग बहुत पसंद है कि नहीं?
हाँ ठीक है, मतलब हाँ, पसंद तो है।
तो पसंद सबको होती है, बट नाचते सिर्फ बारात में ही है।
हाँ,
तो
जंगली
वैसे
वाला पूरा।
हाँ, तो वैसे ही मेरा एक दोस्त है। ठीक है, तो वो एक बहुत टैलेंटेड डांसर है और उसने बॉलीवुड में बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज के साथ काम भी किया है, तो आज अपन उससे मिलने वाले
हॉलीवुड है, सेलिब्रिटी।
हैं। कनेक्शंस।
मजा आ रहा है। लाइक अपन
बहुत
को
मजा।
अब इनसाइट्स पता चलने वाले हैं। लाइक वैसे भी अपना अपना काम पॉडकास्ट का है, तो लाइक अपन आज
हम्म।
बहुत अच्छी तरह से डिस्कशन कर पाएंगे कि लाइक सेलिब्रिटीज कैसे होते हैं और क्या उनका इनसाइट्स होता है।
हम्म।
तो
हो
लेट्स
सकता
मीट।
है।
नाम क्या है वैसे उसका?
ओ, उसका नाम शहजान है।
ओके, तो
हाँ जी।
लेट्स रोल विद शहजान।
बुलाते हैं शहजान जी को। हे, हे शहजान, हाउ आर यू?
I'm good. I'm very good. I'm very good. Thank you for asking. How are you guys doing?
हाँ, वी आर डूइंग
ग्रेट
ग्रेट।
ग्रेट।
केडी बता कैसा चल रहा है?
So, hey Shashank, this
Katie,
is KD. So,
hello Katie. How are
how are
you?
you? I'm fine. Just
Um,
बहुत गर्मी है यहाँ
I
पर।
am. अरे no, it's way better in Bombay right now because of the rain. थोड़ा temperature better हो गया है, but it was really bad. अभी एक हफ्ते पहले तक it was really bad.
क्वारंटाइन कैसा चल रहा है?
लाइक क्वारंटाइन कैसे चल रहा है, उसके साथ में साइक्लोन कैसा रहा?
मस्त था ब्रो। साइक्लोन तो धमकी देख के चला गया ब्रो। मतलब ही डिडंट डू मच टू ऑल ऑफ अस। इधर तो ब्रो ऐसे डर लग गया, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चली जाएगी, ये आ जाएगा, वो है, बाहर से कोई बांध लो। और इतने इतने मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, देन यू हैव टू डू दिस, यू हैव टू डू दैट। मुझे लगा क्या क्या करना है, क्या क्या संभालना है, बारिश संभाले, कोविड संभाले, घर पे रहे, करना क्या ब्रो। इट वाज टू मच टू हैंडल यार। और अभी भी चल ही रहा है। मैंने होप छोड़ दिया, ये साल का तो होप छोड़ दिया। अभी मैं कुछ सोचने भी नहीं वाला। I'm just going to be at home. I've lost a lot of sleep, so I'm going to catch up on a lot of sleep of my। मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, ट्राई कर रहा हूँ पढ़ने का। एक बुक ट्राई की थी, बट अभी तक 2 पेज से आगे नहीं गया मैं। और like how we always complain, कि time
हम्म।
मिलेगा
Yeah.
तो we'll do this, we'll do that, but nothing's happening। I'm
हाँ।
barely even doing what I like to do। Hardly
हम्म।
I did 1 or 2 classes, but वो भी it wasn't like maximum how I always do। तो इट्स जस्ट दैट आई एम टेकिंग टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड जस्ट जब जो जैसे फ्लो में जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है, जा रहा है। जब तक ये
Yeah.
खत्म नहीं, लाइक वी आर जस्ट गेटिंग यूज्ड टू दिस। और इम्यून हो रहे हैं बहुत ज्यादा। आई थिंक दैट इज वन थिंग दैट इज नॉट गुड अबाउट, बिकॉज हम बहुत कंफर्ट जोन आ गए। और अभी जब यू डोंट हैव मच टू डू,
हम्म।
दैट्स व्हाट पीपल आर डूइंग। थ्रो बैक्स हो रहे हैं, इतने नेक्स्ट लेवल पे थ्रो बैक्स हो, कोई
भाई।
कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए। ये चेक हो रहा है, वो वीडियो बाहर आ रही है, ये फोटो बाहर आ रही
हम्म।
है, ये मेमोरी बाहर आ रही है। So it's good, what people were missing out on, I think compassion।
It's like everything is on pause अभी, कि
हाँ
अच्छा
बहुत
अभी
सही।
मैं
Yeah. Pause.
मेरे सराउंडिंग में फोकस करता है।
हाँ,
यस।
बट आई थिंक अब आफ्टर टॉकिंग टू यू गाइस, आई फील हम सब एक ही पेज पे है।
सब
Yeah.
जहाँ भी
Yeah.
हम,
एक
बॉम्बे,
चिल चिल।
जोधपुर, दुबई, एवरीबॉडी इज ऑन द सेम पेज। सही है। गुड गुड टू स्पीक टू यू गाइस नाउ। इट्स गोइंग
ओके।
टू बी अ क्रेजी सेशन आई फील।
Yeah.
यस
Yeah.
यस यस। यहाँ पे जो केडी जी है, वो आपको तो अच्छे से जानते नहीं, जितना मैं जानती हूँ। तो व्हाई डोंट यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू केडी?
Okay, Katie, not an interesting person I am, I'll be very honest with you।
लाइस।
So I finished like I was studying BMM, I would say, and I was studying advertisement for the last
Okay.
year. Or what happened is, but I always had this passion. What do you say? Dancing. I got, and it was pretty cool in school. When you were dancing in school and all, you don't really realize, you can take
True.
up this as a
True.
profession. So what I did is, I started dancing, started training in a company here called the Dance Works, and trained a lot in jazz, ballet basics, contemporary
Wow.
basics. And importantly, a teacher of mine, Rajat Bakshi,
Mhm.
who's a student from New York, big dance,
Mhm.
Broadway Dance Center, sorry, Broadway Dance Center. And he was from there, and he came there of 2014 is where he started training most of the dancers, and I was one of them. So
Oh.
that's when I
Wow.
started taking this professionally. I mean, 3 to 4 years back is when I started taking it professionally. And but at the same time, I was also working. So it was just not the dancing, but I was working as well
Oh,
for
okay.
Apple UK. And at the same time, so it was because of the UK timing. It was a contact center, basically like a call
Mhm.
center, what you want to call it for
Mhm.
people to understand. So then
Mhm.
I was working as well to financially support myself, and then I was dancing constantly. I started giving auditions, started
Mhm.
doing a lot of shows outside, and then I
Mhm.
started working with a director, a
Oh.
choreographer, sorry.
Oh,
Okay,
that's
and
cool.
then he took me in his team. And
Oh, wow.
after that, he started, like, I did a lot of projects with him on
Yeah.
this side of the
Mhm.
camera, but not in front. But
Mhm.
yeah, so the first movie that I did was this movie called Jafta Jasus. There's this
Oh,
big song called Galti Se Mistake. That was
Mhm. Yes,
the
yes.
first.
that was awesome.
Yeah, that was the first time. I was crazy. But then that was the first time when I saw myself on the screen, big screen, and when I was watching it at the theater, and I went to watch that movie alone. because I wanted to see myself alone. And once I saw that, I decided that this is what I want to do professionally, also for money, also for my passion, also. That's about it. That was the start, and then back to back, a lot of movies that I did, dancing behind, assisting the choreographers, a lot of award shows that happened. Then I was working one more choreographer, and I was in Dubai for a year, and I was doing a project there at Bollywood Parks, and at Bollywood Parks, it was a crazy journey. Being very honest with you, dancing there, and then we got to witness the cast and crew of Street Dancer 3 because they were shooting at the same place, and the boss I was working with, Salman Yusuf Khan, he was also a part of that movie.
Oh.
So it was a good thing for whom I was working, and then it was a good thing at Parks. Then our contacts got इतना कुछ ज़्यादा interesting नहीं है, but जो भी है यही है.
Dude, सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन है ये, भले बोले कि मैं इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं हूँ.
बहुत सही. Okay. So next question. So like Shehzan, what was your inspiration behind becoming a dancer?
Inspiration. See, it's very subjective again. How I told you in the beginning, I have this thing of watching things, from two sides always. So what happened is it was good in school, as I mentioned, when I started dancing, but nobody knows, when you're dancing school, it's annual day and all that. So that's pretty cool at that time. You feel cool about yourself. You're dancing. Once you finish, get off the stage and people are looking at you, and you start to look at them because they're looking at you. So you always
dance on the stage.
That was me. It was me. So that was one thing. But I think the biggest thing that inspired me was that same movie which I told you about, Jagga Jaasusi. I mean, that was the moment when I decided, okay, I want to be into this artistic field. Doesn't matter if I'm still dancing or not, but I want to be associated with cameras, associated with films, do something like that which makes me, want to love my work and not corporate. Because see, again, I'll be honest, the corporate work that I was doing was helping me financially a lot. I was pretty stable at a very young age. And that I could only get, if I'm shooting, because there's a huge rush when you're shooting, you're shooting for 12 hours, 13 hours. There's a lot of brainstorming that's happening. Yeah, there's a lot of team. There's a lot of costume that goes on. There's camera, there's cut, there's retake. There are situations, unwanted situations. You need to be very smart to tackle those. It's too much to handle. You need to have a lot of presence of mind. But I think now my inspiration has been that movie that I always keep it close.
Like जो inspiration चली है, उसके अंदर best और worst moments क्या रहे होंगे? Like as a dancer.
As a dancer, see, best moments when I talk about, when you're dancing with a star, that itself is a very huge moment, because the first time when I entered that stage and when I saw Ranbir Kapoor for the first time, and it was next level when the guy came, and it was just, I could not take my eyes off him. The way he was trying to work, and I was just dancing there, but I was trying to understand his acting skills also, because apart from that song, he was shooting for other sequence also of the movie, the patchwork that was going on. So I really tried observing him. A lot of my members of the team, they were sleeping inside the room, but that was the first time when I saw him. I'm like, mujhe isko dekhna hai. So for good till 2-3 hours, I was just sitting near the stairs. I remember I'm watching him. He was shooting a lot of sequence with the same movie. And but coming to the good part is when you are seeing yourself in the same frame with that actor, I feel is the best moment, because there are a lot of people who, after watching that song, message me, okay, dude, what is this? Where did that even come from? We were not even expecting, but this is crazy.
Wow.
And I didn't know that people will notice to this level, where it's going to go. And then one song which I did with Raja Kumari also, one choreographer called Shazib, he worked on it. And it was very good. So I've been always lucky whenever I'm dancing with these stars, I'm always in the center frame, that as soon as the camera pans, you will be right behind him. And that's the best moment. The worst moment is you cannot sleep. You cannot sleep. You cannot sleep. You have to give up on your social life first at that moment, because you're dedicated to your work. So you can't have a social life, which is okay. But, you have to be constantly up on your toes, because there are stars who are performing, and you cannot make any mistakes. If you make a mistake in that frame when you're dancing with them, it goes for a retake. And when it goes for a retake, that's a retake for an actor also. Now, the person who's standing there is a huge personality. The director who's sitting on the camera is a huge personality. So there's a lot of pressure also at the same time, and that has been the worst time as well for me, when once or twice this has happened. And then the entire nervousness that ran throughout my body, I'm like, ab ye nahi ho sakta. I cannot do it now. I cannot do it. But you have to keep yourself calm and do this. But good and worst moments, what do you want to call it? It's very much related to each other. It's just a
makes sense.
thin line to go here and there. Wait, and very careful, very careful.
Yeah, it's like if you want to experience the best parts, then you have to go through the worst parts.
Worst part, very true. Very true. That is for real.
So आपने अभी अपने best experience और worst experience बताया as a dancer. So what was your experience with celebrities? Like crazy experience?
Crazy experience have been a lot more, and the same song that we are talking about, Ranbir Kapoor, Jagga Jaasusi, in that they made me like they made a human's bike in which
Mm-hmm.
he's
In the
sitting.
video, yeah.
And he in that the person who's lying down is me. So he kept his uska pair mere haathon pe tha. I was lying down like this on the floor and my
Mhm.
hand was like that. So he kept his uska pair wahan pe tha. And now I'm trying to constantly talk to him whatever that, because it's just a fan moment that I have. Like, dude,
Yeah.
you get it. I was a
Yeah.
kid, this movie came like 4 years back. I think that time I was 19 I was. And so it was the time when he placed his foot there. And now I'm just lying down, and that shot is happening again and again and again. So after every shot I'm like, RK sir, it's okay, right? RK sir, it's good, right? Do you want me to take it ahead, take it behind? How is it? And RK is like, no, it's okay, it's okay. And constantly RK sir, this is okay, right? And then after one point another assistant came, my friend. He's like, itna mat kar, dikhai de raha hai to kitna fan hai. बोला अब चुपचाप बैठो, मैं कुछ बोलूंगा नहीं. So that was like the best experience I feel, or that situation that happened with this celebrity. It was huge for me, at least, very huge.
That's nice. That's
That's good.
nice. Good one. Good one. तो शहजान, सवाल बहुत हो चुके हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
अब
Okay.
मस्ती का टाइम है. So now we're gonna play some games, जिसमें I
Alright, bring
swear
it on.
बहुत बहुत मजा आने वाली है लोगों को. ठीक है?
अच्छा.
I'll introduce the game to you.
Hmm.
तो इस गेम का नाम है Would You Rather, जो आपको पता ही होगा क्या है. इसमें हम आपसे पूछेंगे कि would you rather, and then you'll have two options जिससे आपको चूज करना होगा कि अच्छा ये करेगा मैं.
Done.
Okay? Cool.
Done.
Let's go.
Done.
So, would you rather? Ta-da!
Have Miss Chandni Chopra as your chemistry teacher, have Miss Braganza as your English teacher. Dude, Miss Braganza. Of course, Miss Braganza.
Oh!
She's iconic. She's
Oh
iconic.
my God.
Miss Braganza is iconic. I mean, Chandni Chopra is way beautiful, but Miss Braganza is Miss Braganza. जिसने मूवी देखी उनको पता है वो क्या है.
I mean,
Miss Braganza,
it is true, but the Miss Chandni is like no one can beat her, bro. Like,
of course, nobody can beat her, but Miss Braganza is Miss Braganza too.
Man, you are unpredictable. You are unpredictable. Like मेरे दिमाग में ये आया था, like शहजान तो ये तो चांदनी ही चूज करेगा.
Well, classics are always good.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, like Miss Braganza was के वो सबसे पहली ऐसी टीचर थी जिसने करण जौहर की मूवी में पढ़ाया था, और वो भी रोमियो जूलियट के प्यार किया था. So
Okay, second वाले पे चलते हैं. ये best है.
We stranded on an island with Chatur from 3 Idiots, or we stand on an island Lucky from Golmaal. I think I'll be stranded on an island with Lucky from Golmaal. I will.
Yes.
कुछ बोलेगा नहीं. Silencer बहुत बोलता है.
नहीं साइलेंसर क्या करेगा, वो अपना चूरन खा के बहुत मजे करेगा, उसमें प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. लकी क्या वो के अलावा कुछ नहीं करेगा. So that's the
I think I'll prefer. बस उतना है.
No, Nana Nini Nano. That's all I remember from.
Nana Nini Nano.
ये वाला बेस्ट है.
Yeah.
मतलब बेस्ट तो सभी है. ये अच्छा है.
Be friends with Kabir, Imran and Arjun, or be friends with Akash, Sameer and Siddharth. यार एक फरहान अख्तर की मूवी, एक जोया अख्तर की मूवी है, both about friendship. I think if given a chance, I would take all 6 of them because, see, I'm sorry, I think I'll still go with Dil Chahta Hai.
Yeah, that's true. Same.
Dil Chahta Hai had set this trend. It was a cult movie.
Yeah.
That is coming out, and the way everybody's acted in this movie. I love ZNMD, being very honest.
Yeah.
Next, Kiddy, next.
Oh.
Bad man. Have Gabbar Singh chop your hands off, have Mogambo kill your sister and keep you alive. Mogambo.
मेरे को पता था ये यही बोलेगा.
क्यों?
आज जरूरी
You have a brother, as far as
I don't have a sister. तो रख ले bro, कोई बात नहीं. तो Mogambo आई थी.
शिवम, अगर तूने मोकैम्बो चूज किया ना तो मैं तेरे को थप्पड़ मार देगी सच्ची में ब्रो.
Mogambo. He's too cool. He's too cool.
Yeah, when we were putting this up, no, I was like, शहजान यही चूज करेगा, guaranteed है bro.
सही है.
Yeah, like गब्बर का जो कैरेक्टर है ना, वो बहुत वाइल्ड फैंटेसी है, बहुत ज्यादा, like अजीब ही सीन चलता है उसका.
देख पहाड़ पे कौन घूमता है?
The last one.
have Nankishore Awasthi from Paris and Mean, but I was very bad. Viru Sastrabuddhe from
Virus.
As your dad.
Virus.
Viru Sastrabuddhe. I think Viru Sastrabuddhe.
Yeah,
I think I prefer. Too good. I love him.
This role was like मतलब अजीब सा था, अलग था, बट बहुत अच्छा था जो भी था.
Yeah.
Yeah, his roles are always so challenging, you know, and it's
I
so
know.
different from the previous one that he's done. He's just very, very good of a person. Human also he is. That I worked
Mm-hmm.
in an award show, you know, and he was hosting that show. He and
Mm-hmm.
Mitesh Deshmukh. So I got a chance to even speak to him because we were ready in our wings for the
Mm-hmm.
performance, and he finished his thing and he came down. You know, I just met him. It was so warm to talk to as a person. You know, I mean, it was just for some seconds. It was really good.
Yeah.
So, मतलब you said कि अच्छा you have crazy experiences, you've had best and worst experiences. But what I wanted to ask is that sometimes you might have to dance on songs or ads जिसका lyrics कोई sense नहीं बनाता है. मतलब sense ही नहीं है lyrics का, but you have to do it because it's your job. तो ऐसा कोई experience हुआ है आपके साथ?
हाँ, लाइक के गाना बज गया और लाइक अब नाचना पड़ेगा यार, क्या बोल रहा है?
Being very honest, अभी तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. I'm
Oh.
thankful कि नहीं हुआ है. But अगर हुआ भी तो I think, you know, when I told you the presence of mind that needs to
Uh-huh.
place, you know, at that point of time. So I think
Uh-huh.
I think I can cope up. I'm not sure. Try करेंगे. But you know, there are times like this when you have to dance. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and then some songs playing, and you need to have a prop in your hand. You know, which is being given by the
Uh-huh.
choreographer.
Yeah,
Usually
yeah,
in the award shows. And there are times when I've forgotten the prop, and you know, मैं सिर्फ हाथ से dance कर रहा हूँ that time, and you know, everybody on the stage is dancing with the prop, and you know, only I'm not having it, or other person's not having it somewhere, you know, because एक छोटा flow तो निकलना ही निकलना है, you know, how
Yeah.
much ever you try, वो
Mm-hmm.
इतने rush में you don't realize it, you know, you have to run, finish it, come quickly, costume change, ये play position, वो position, how every song has a very different,
That's true.
you know, placements, formation that is kept, a different song, different prop. So this has happened to me multiple times where I've forgotten the prop at the same time while entering the stage, और फिर घुस के फिर याद आया, and then you know you have to very slyly get out, you know, ऐसे
Mm-hmm.
dance करते करते walking करते like, and then you get out, मतलब then the other task is you have to come back in with the prop. Now how are you going to do that? So you know ये बहुत झोल है. That happened. It was it हुआ बहुत बार. अभी नवंबर में I did one award show
Mm-hmm.
with Zee TV, उसमें हुआ है मेरे साथ.
Oh,
दो तीन
okay.
बार हुआ, दो तीन बार.
I mean, but it's understandable, no? क्योंकि like जैसे आपने बोला बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही होती है बैक स्टेज पे, बट रश भी कितना होता होगा कि ओह इस विंग से आना है, उस विंग से आना है, नहीं तू राइट विंग से आ, मैं लेफ्ट विंग से आता है, ऐसा ऐसा.
नहीं समझ में आता है, मालूम है उस वक्त. See, you of course do a technical rehearsals for 2 days, 3 days with all the stars. You know, you do a show run before the show because make sure that you know ये ऐसी छोटी mistakes नहीं हो. But lot में एक दो तो हो सकते हो, कोई और भी हो सकता है. But you know, again, that is very situational based, you know, whether time situation based. कि अगर हो गया तो how well you can cope up. अब अगर if I know that my person who's dancing, you know, who's entering from that side of the wing, और मैंने देख लिया कि अगर this person standing right next to me now, either I inform him very quickly कि bro you have to enter from there, या फिर I take the initiative and I run that side and I enter from that side, you know, अगर मुझे पता चल जाए. So you have to always keep a match. और अगर वो नहीं enter कर रहे तो you also don't enter because then it looks even on the camera. Yeah, you looks even on the camera because अगर इधर 4 लोग डांस कर रहे हैं, इधर 3 लोग डांस कर, doesn't make sense. So you know you have to be very smart with that also. You got to be.
दिमाग लगता है ब्रो
बहुत सारा भाई.
नहीं ब्रो बहुत लगता है, बहुत लगता है, बहुत लगता है.
It looks pretty on camera only, ऐसा टीवी पे देखो, oh it's so perfect, and now you're telling me to भाई बहुत रस होता है. I'm like, dude.
Backstage you never want to see a backstage at that time, you know, you never want to see a backstage because it's so chaotic. You cannot see it. I'm telling you, the entire alley filled with dancers, you know, alagi rush, everybody is getting ready, makeup is happening, hair is happening, you know, prop is missing, this is missing, some other costume has come, somebody wearing some other costume, and the choreographer is there, the assistant screaming, the assistant director is screaming, you know, yahan se entry karna, ye gana aa gaya. Then sometimes you have a show flow, you know, where it changes. Some other dancer was supposed to come, some other actor was supposed to dance, but then they are not ready. So now what you got to do, you know, there's some other act that is happening, now you have to get ready for that, you know, rehearse, you cannot make a mistake. So I'm telling you, it's a mad rush, but it is what do you say, it's worthy being very honest. You should be.
मतलब मजा आता है करने में.
बहुत ये अगर मैं ये नहीं कर रहा था, आई थिंक मैं बहुत बोरिंग आदमी होता, मतलब बहुत बोरिंग आदमी.
So next question. What are your cheap thrills? सस्ती
मस्ती. Actually, maybe recently I discussed this with someone. But you know, now we've become more sensible. I'll be very honest with you. But before I was damn notorious. You know, school में होता है. तो अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले की बात है. But you know, what we used to do is we used to you know, shoplift. You know, DMart में घुस के ही my can खोल के पी लेना.
I don't want to say this, but I've done this so many times.
You said it. You know, I mean, for example, I'm giving, but this has happened to me. Of course, I'm not going to name the place, but this has happened to me where I've gone to a supermarket and I've had chocolates also. I've opened a Red Bull also, and I've had it. Then I have stole चुराया है दूध के package in the morning. Those guys who keep outside your building. I have done that. And we have taken newspapers from other people's house, or कोई पुराना newspaper रख दिया है. Especially in the night in Bombay, when you step out, usually when you're hungry in the night, when you're back in the rehearsals or something, there's a lane where I stay, out there. There are a lot of rickshawalas who sleeps in the night, peacefully after finishing work or getting ready for their work, so they're sleeping, taking a nap. But मैं हूँ, सोने दूंगा नहीं. So I go up to them, I wake them up from the sleep. So चलोगे क्या? And we like सो रहा था, ठीक है सो जा. And then we either push the rickshaw. But ये बचपन में हुआ था, मतलब इतना पुराना भी नहीं, but ठीक है अभी 3-4 साल से तो मैं serious हो गया. I'm not trying to do something which is going to hurt people or hurt their sentiments. So I've apologized to myself and to the universe, like I'm not going to do that. But सस्ती मस्ती ऐसी है, अभी के लिए तो ऐसी है.
वो तो है dude. I think इस सबसे बेस्ट सस्ती मस्ती बचपन की ये थी कि, और I can guarantee सबने ये किया होगा, is ringing the doorbell and running the hell out of that.
Dude, ringing the door, ये तो मैं अभी भी करता हूँ लिफ्ट में घुसने से पहले. I have a friend who stays there और मैं उसके यहाँ पे जाके make sure करूँगा. And then I'll run also आवाज करके कि उसको समझे सीढ़ी पे कोई. But touch wood मैं अभी तक पकड़ाया नहीं गया. But जब पकड़ाया तो देख.
अगर उसने ये वीडियो देख ली तो
बस पता चलने वाला है.
उसको थोड़ी पता चला. वो मैं नहीं हूँ. वो कोई और है. वो मैं नहीं हूँ.
ओके. तो एक्चुअली है ना, अपने केडी को क्रिकेट बहुत पसंद है, उसको धोनी बहुत पसंद है. तो इसने बोला मुझे कि डूड, मैं कल शहजान को स्टॉक कर रहा था, तो उसने धोनी का कोई पोस्ट देखा शायद. तो मेरे को ये सवाल है कि आपका मतलब क्या ख्याल है धोनी के?
केडी, I love you brother for this. Okay, thank you for bringing that up. See, 2 people I really love the most, 3 actually. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan I have an immense respect for him for the work he has. My idol who's Shah Rukh Khan. Without him, I don't think so I could ever think in that way. I have a book which has his pictures everywhere, and when it comes to Dhoni, from where to where he's got Team India, I think it's commendable. And I don't think so anybody can change or be like Dhoni. See, everybody is in their own way what they're doing. It's good. But that person is something else for me. I've cried, in 2015 when they lost the World Cup.
Oh my God!
When they got out in semi-finals, I cried. That 2019, that was supposed to be his last World Cup, and that run out that happened, you have no idea, bro. For good 3 to 4 days, I was gone. So he's always been one hell of a sportsman for me, that I can stop everything I want to, and I want to, I think, watch him play even after he retires, but I want him somewhere around. I want to work with him. He's crazy. I love Dhoni, dude. Forever Dhoni fan. Forever Dhoni.
This will be a last question of our conversation. So last question is, what is your bucket
list? Yeah, बहुत scary है. I'll be very honest with you, क्योंकि इतना कुछ है. But I want to work with this director called Imtiaz Ali.
Oh yeah.
I want to work with him. I want to work with Dhoni. I want to work with Shah Rukh Khan. I want to. It's damn funny, but I want to work in a franchise or part of Student of
You didn't just say that.
Yeah, I did that. I want to.
That's nice though. I mean, see, the thing is, the movie is pretty cool.
Story.
The actors are cool, but the story is.
No, I loved watching the part 1. Okay.
Part 1 is epic. Part 1 is nice.
Good.
Part 2, I watched it because I know somebody from that movie. The other actor, Aditya Seal, who's an opposite. Okay, so I know him since a very long time. We danced together. We were training together. And he's an amazing dancer, and he's been into this field for a very long time. So when I saw him, I'm like, I want to watch for him. And that was the love that I went and watched, and it was pretty good. I liked it.
हमारा next game है, it's gonna test your tongue. It's tongue twisters. करते हैं, मजा आई.
So we have 4 tongue twisters.
Okay. So the first tongue twister is ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की पीठ ऊंची, ऊंची पूंछ ऊंट की. Go.
ऊंट ऊंचा, ऊंट की.
नेक्स्ट वाले पे चलते हैं.
अच्छा 5 जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा, जो हंसेगा वो फंसेगा, जो फंसेगा वो हंसेगा.
Dude.
Love.
Third वाला.
Then if you must more than once, okay. If you must cross a crowded cow crossing, cross the crowded cow crossing carefully. कौन लिख रहा है तुम्हारे सिलेबस ये सब? Last one. सबका बदला मैं off camera लूंगा मैं सबका बदला. I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish. Last time.
Okay.
I wish to wish the wish you wish to wish, but if you wish the wish the witch wishes, I won't wish the wish you wish to wish.
बहुत सही बहुत.
Damn son.
So-
Okay, तो यहाँ पे हमारा game sesh is over.
तू क्लियर कर ले बोलना क्या है.
Please इसको रखना bro. चाहे जो हो जाए इसको रखना. Let the people know she's giving me thumb twister. उसको उसके लिए दिखा रहा है.
अब तो मैं जरूर डालने वाला हूँ.
Game session is over.
केडी तू इंट्रोड्यूस कर दे भाई नेक्स्ट पार्ट मेरे से नहीं होगा.
So next part is meme review. It's my favorite one.
मेरा भी आजकल बहुत फेवरेट चल रहा है. बहुत कर रहा हूँ मैं बहुत ज्यादा.
10-year-old me preparing to tell my mom at 9 p.m. I need glue and construction paper for my project due tomorrow.
I think ये सबके साथ हुआ है. 10 o'clock when we understand now कल stationery चाहिए because we forgotten school से आने के बाद. Bro, it's a very very bad situation that one kid can get into. उसको पता नहीं उसके dad मारने वाला क्योंकि mom से तो पेटने वाला है. But once dad is back from work उससे भी धुलने ही वाला है. तो फिर अगले दिन हम लोग की तरह behave करेगा.
मम्मी लाइक पहले याद नहीं आता. पूरे दिन you were doing nothing, sitting on the sofa and chilling. But 10 बजे तेरे को याद आएगा बहुत अच्छे से कि अच्छा तेरे को glue चाहिए.
और वो दुकान भी 9:55 को उस दिन बंद करेगा.
Yeah.
ऐसा सीन है. जिस दिन वो लेट तक चालू करता है ना उस दिन वो 10 मिनट पहले ही बंद करेगा. पता नहीं क्यों. आई थिंक हम सबने मार खाया इस चीज के लिए. मैं तो नेक्स्ट लेवल था.
नेक्स्ट वाला देखते हैं केडी स्क्रॉल. टीचर अब प्रिंसिपल मैम 2 शब्द कहेंगे. प्रिंसिपल मैम.
My name is Krishna Gopal Iyer.
Venugopal Iyer. Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopal Iyer. Rajshekara Srinivasana Principal Ekkaramveer Chinnaswamy Muthuswamy Venugopal.
You remember everything भाई साहब.
बहुत सही.
What a scene ना. This is like नाम बताते गोवा पहुंच जाएंगे. तो गोवा इतना and then he says that's just my pet name.
Oh yeah. Actually true in real life also. Yeah, like on the like हमारे साथ क्या होता कि समर वेकेशन के बाद है ना पहला दिन होता था स्कूल का and principal used to come like अच्छा बच्चों I'll speak 2 words now. भाई साहब आधे घंटे की स्पीच देके जाती थी वो.
Bro, so you haven't done that in school, when you get bored you start clapping. So
Yeah.
Leave.
Like मेरी प्रिंसिपल का सीन है कि उसको है ऐसे ईगो इशू है. Like वो हर बात पे गुस्सा हो जाएगी.
इस प्रिंसिपल को नहीं होता ब्रो.
तो उसका सीन ऐसा था कि वो स्पीच देते थे भावुक हो जाती थी. वो कंट्रोवर्सीज के बारे में बात करने लग जाती कि तुम लोग बच्चे बिगड़ रहे हो. तो हम लोग फिर हम लोगों को होता था कि हम चक्कर खा के गिर जाएंगे क्योंकि धूप बहुत है.
But you need these kind of people, in your school. School life बहुत अच्छी करती है. I'm generally telling you, you need all of them.
Next one, Kedi scroll.
Yeah.
अरे examination.
Epic movie, epic meme template.
Student next to me. चलना आंसर शीट दिखाना.
Answer sheet. Dude, I think in this one I've seen so many where the teachers holding student's hair who has a long hair.
Yeah.
Long hair. This I think I've always got caught for that, for long hair. I think I've always had long, not this big, but school kids have always been long. But this one to bro, matlab chalna answer sheet दिखा. And you have a lot of people like that. I was one of them, especially when you have algebra and geometry in maths.
Oh
dude, you have no idea what all I have done to get the answers.
No, dude.
Next level.
ऐसा भी होता था कि है ना एग्जाम के पहले वी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस कि डूड अच्छा मैं ना ऐसा एंगल से ऐसा बताएगा ऐसा टाइम पे तो तू तब देख लेना ठीक है. और अगर मेरे को कुछ नहीं होगा ना तो मैं ऐसा इशारा करेगा ऐसा 2 बार पेन दबाएगा या खांसेगा ऐसा कुछ. Oh my god dude, we used to literally plan
how we used to do it, Avi. For example, if you have MCQs, for example, I'm just telling you. But हम हर question में ना हर format में यही आजमाते थे. So if you have an MCQ, what is the capital of India, and the answer is Delhi. And now there are 4. For example, I'm just saying you have Bombay, you have Delhi, you have Calcutta, you have Bangalore, and now if you have to say Delhi, so I would always take this initiative. जब मुझे answers पता होते थे, I used to scream at the teacher. That teacher, look at that person's calling me Delhi. I'm not liking that. That's very offensive. और वो पूरा class
that is smart.
Smart.
And that's how teacher, because हमारे invigilators जो होते थे वो same subject के नहीं होते थे. If I'm writing in English paper, not necessarily English teacher standing, कोई drawing teacher है या PT, you get it. So they don't understand कि question में क्या लिखा उसका जवाब क्या है. So you have to be very smart to get that. And that's what mostly I have done. मैं जानबूझ के जोर से आंसर चिल्लाता था and because of that, the entire class used to hear. I think you should try one.
Boys, take some notes.
KD, dekh le.
So we're done with memes, done with games, done with questions.
On the show, and no, I'm saying it like literally from the bottom of my heart. To me and Katie were like, bro, isko karna hai, bro. Do dance.
No,
do
I was
Yes.
thinking about it constantly. The time you asked me, will you do it? I'm like, my friends were like, I shared with her like, क्या भाई ये होने वाला है, you know, I'm gonna go करने वाला हूँ, good luck interview every time that I've given, and I hope when I go back ahead in time, and then I look back this, you know, I would definitely share this then also. This is how it started for me. So you know, of course, these small things matters to me a lot. But I'm glad that I was called on this cousins show that you're talking about. I'm really liking the way it has gone, and you know, everybody's actually dancing, doing sketching, cooking. But you know, this is a very different thing that you both are doing, KD and AD. You know, opened a channel, and you know, you are actually putting the voice out about how people are doing in this quarantine time, how they've been, where they've come from, what their journey through, what they can do, what they can learn. You know, because the learning is always there. So you know, but I think it's a great thing that you both have done. And if there's any help you ever need, guys, let me know. I'm always there to help you out with anything that you guys. Don't worry about it. Good work, guys. Good work. Good work.
Thanks. Thanks. Dhanyavad. Okay, guys, this was the Cousin Show, and follow Shazan on Instagram. We'll put the description right down below. And
so the people who are actually watching it, you know, you can follow if you want to, and that's okay if you don't want to, you know. But you got to follow and subscribe this channel on YouTube. You know, you got to follow AT, you got to follow KT, and I'm sure they're gonna put their Instagram handle there as well. You have this YouTube page as well. Follow the content. You know, do whatever that is making you guys want to do it right now at this point of time. Do learn, share, explore, sleep, eat. You know, don't compare your life with somebody else's. It's just gonna go the way it is, and rest everything's on the way. But it was a good show. Until then, I'm gonna see you guys next time very soon. I hope we do this another version as well.
Yes.
Till then, much love, guys. All the more power to you guys.
Hey, pakad liya, sab pakad liya. Yeah.
Yes.